we are heading home. We just spent some time at our pastor's house and we got to see their new digs. And it's a really cute house. They bought in a like older neighborhood and it's just like really established and really cute. It has so much character and they have like so many great plans for it. So anyways, and then we played a fun game.
Okay, we're playing a game. Yeah, I know, I look beautiful. Yeah. So, we're playing a game, and the object is this person has to put, when we say go, the gloves on, the hat on, and they try to open this package up with just their hands. Ooh. While that person is trying to roll a double.
Okay. Like, we have to roll both hats?
Yes.
Yep.
So,
I got one. My turn.
No, we haven't started yet, silly goose.
Okay, so that's the game. Are we ready?
We're ready. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Has this ever been
done?
Ready, go. Go. Oh, does he start rolling?
Yes.
What? No! My turn. My turn.
That's right.
Start rolling.
Start rolling.
It'll come around.
It'll come back.
Watch. They
Roll.
Oh, wait. You gotta get two.
Sometimes you just
roll, Derek, go roll.
It's gonna come back.
It'll come back
You gotta
around.
get two in a
Trust me.
row.
I'll get that open.
Smash the
Oh.
board. Snatch.
2 ones.
Snatch.
Go. Who you roll?
No, it goes around.
Daddy,
there.
roll. Daddy, roll.
It'll come around.
Roll, babe, roll. As soon as he's got.
Okay, let him get it on.
Wait, let him get the hat on. Put the hat on, man.
I'm getting this prize right here.
It's so hard.
It is, huh?
Come on,
Come on! Come on!
Where's our double?
Come on, Pitt. I got it.
Here you go.
Probably should have put the hat on. Let's see.
The corner. Double. Double. Start rolling.
Go.
No one better have lice.
Double.
Oh, man!
Oh, give me the advice.
Not again. Okay, hold on, Jackson. Hold on.
Open it,
Okay, ready,
Jacoby. Open it.
Go,
Come on, Jacoby.
You got it.
Come on, Jacoby.
It's hard,
It's so hard. It's so hard.
Double.
Double.
Roll,
we were competitive.
No.
Your boys are competitive. Come on, Peyton. Keep that
Come on,
dice
Jackson,
on the
get
table.
it.
Get it.
Oh!
Oh,
You
no.
better hurry up.
No.
He's got
Wait, you gotta watch the doubles. Watch the doubles. Wait, you gotta look and see what you're getting.
Double.
Go.
Hurry.
Hurry up. Roll, hurry.
Peyton, I got it open.
How did you guys do that?
Screaming at me.
I couldn't do that. I couldn't get nothing.
And got to see our competitive side. So now we're on our way home and we are going to get ready and go have family pictures. Hopefully the boys cooperate. Here we are, we're getting family pictures taken. Look at that little munchkin. Boys are looking super handsome with their super awesome haircuts. Jacoby, let me see your haircut. What? Wow. It's muddy. Oh yeah, watch out for the mud, guys. Getting our family pictures taken. So we've been here for a while taking pictures and it's going pretty good. The boys are being cooperative. We were late because of traffic, so we had to really quickly get all this done before the sun went down. So they're doing good. It's looking cute. And I got my I Only Make Boys shirt on.
Proud of you.
All right, we got all done with our pictures. We're gonna hit up the candy store and then we are going to Auntie's house. Why are we going to Auntie's house?
Baking for tomorrow for Thanksgiving.
Baking party. It's a baking party. So we're headed there now and it's crowded here because apparently they're doing something fun. I think they're gonna light the tree or something. I don't know. We're not here for that. And now we're at Auntie's house. What are you guys doing?
Cutting.
Making apple pie. Making apple pie. Yum, yum. And Jeff stopped by this place that's in West Sac. And if you're ever here, it's amazing. It's called Whitey's. It's just like this tiny little burger joint. So good. They got milkshakes and curly fries and fried zucchini and burgers and hot dogs and all the fried goodness. It's terrible for you, but excited for dinner. So first, Jacoby and Jackson are slicing some apples. And Jericho's gonna make some graham cracker crust. Yum, 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 yum. We kind of devoured our food already, but here's the deliciousness that was Whitey's, huh?
My cheeseburger
Yeah,
disappeared.
fried zucchini, fried everything. Fried corn dog, cheeseburger. Whoa. Bloody arm.
Look at my cheeseburger.
French fries.
Look at this.
Cheeseburger. Curly fries, regular fries, onion rings.
Pickles.
Check this out, guys. Jacoby just made a pie crust. Oh my gosh. With Auntie's help, though.
I don't like apple pie. I just had it disgusting. Only me.
Trying to do too many things at once. Hilarious. Such a good job.
I'm thankful for mommy and daddy and brothers. I'm thankful for mommy, daddy, my brothers, my house, auntie, uncle, Mimi and Papa, grandma, grandpa, Grammy and Poppy, God, Jesus, the Holy Spirit, the Bible.
That's a good list, buddy. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We are just talking to the boys about being thankful, and Jeff is putting together our super giant veggie tray.
We don't buy no veggie trays from the store because that is bogus.
Apparently.
And I have to chop up all those. Thank you.
No, we're not gonna. That's way too many. We do not need that much, but we're gonna have veggies coming out of our ears.
Woo!
So I'm thankful for my family and my boys, and for health and for our home.
Yes, lots to be thankful for.
I'm thankful for family, house, Jesus, God, and I'm thankful that God told us that we are gonna get a new house. And the Spirit.
Happy Thanksgiving,
Happy Thanksgiving
everybody.
from the Pitnikoffs.
Be safe, enjoy.
Yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day.
By the time they watch this, it's after Thanksgiving.
No, it's going up today, so you're wrong.
Well, what if someone watches it tomorrow?
Well, they're late.
Ooh, hope you had a good Thanksgiving.
Yeah, hope you guys didn't eat too much. We're very excited. The boys helped with baking, so we're gonna get to bake or eat some of that today. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving from the Pitnikoffs. We love you guys, and we'll see you later. Pitnikoffs out.